So today I am going to talk about how index method behaves when list contains duplicate elements, right? First of all, first of all, we will discuss about what does it mean by duplicate elements and first occurrence, right? So duplicate elements are those elements which appears more than once in a called duplicate, right? Suppose we have a 20 in a list. It appears two times, right? So 20 is duplicate element, right? So now first occurrence. First occurrence means if you have a duplicate elements in your list, then index method will return first occurrence of duplicate. Same definition of index method, right? And index method always returns the index number of the first occurrence of the element, right? So this is the same syntax we have discussed in previous videos, right? So the list, the index method always returns the index number of the first occurrence of an element, right? Now suppose we have a list of 5 numbers, right? Now I am going to print numbers, right, dot index. Now I am going to find the 20, right? It will return first occurrence of the element. This is the one, because at 10 index number is 0, and at 20 the index number is 1, right? तो नाउ अब जो है वो इंडेक्स मेथड जो है वो नेक्स्ट नंबर पर मूव नहीं करेगा, तो जो फर्स्ट अकरेंस ऑफ एलिमेंट जो है, राइट? नाउ आई विल see the next example in which we have stored the string values, right? Now the Karachi is a duplicate value, and I will print the name of what the list, then index, then I will write the what the repeat value. Now I will run this program. You will get the output, right? At 0 position, Karachi, right? This is all about the how index method behaves when duplicate list contains duplicate, right? So in the next lecture, we will talk about the start parameter and the end parameter, right? If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel.